everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so exhausted of this heat we have everywhere. So hopefully you guys are being safe and have a safe weekend with all this heat. But today we are outside of CVS where the deals are fire this week. We are starting a brand new 2-week ad, so the deals roll into next week. But there is a printable breakdown if you guys need it or want to check it out. And while you're down there, if you're not currently subscribed, I'd love to have you as part of my channel. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button or like this video. The more people that interact with this video, the more it gets pushed out. So the more people I can help save money. That's the whole purpose of my channel, is to help everyone save on the things they need. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Right now, select Oral-B products are buy two, get $5 in extra bucks. The cheapest options I could find are select toothbrushes. They are $4.59 and they look like this. So grabbing 2 of them will be $9.18. Now we have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon, so you pay $6.18 at the register. Get the $5 extra buck for buying 2, making them $1.18 for both. Or if you prefer to grab toothpaste this week, you can grab the Crest toothpaste deal. They are buy 2, get $4 in extra bucks, and they're on sale for $3.99. So you'll grab 2 of them for $7.98. Use that $3 digital coupon, so you'll have to choose between the toothbrushes or the toothpaste. You'll pay $4.98 at the register, get the $4 extra buck for buying 2, making them 98 cents for both. Or if you guys prefer Colgate toothpaste, there's also the same deal, basically. So they are buy 2, get $5 in extra bucks, and they're on sale for $3.99. You'll grab 2 of them for $7.98. Use a $2 digital coupon, so you pay $5.98 at the register. Get the $5 extra buck for buying 2, making them 98 cents. So the final outcome price for the Colgate and the Crest are the same. So regardless, you can grab toothpaste for less than $1 this week. Pantene shampoo and conditioner are buy 2, get $5 in extra bucks. They're $5.59 at my store, but we're going to grab a total of 3 of them. 3 of them will cost me $16.77. We have a $5 digital coupon off of 3, so that's why we're going to grab 3. So pay $11.77 at the register. Get the $5 in extra bucks for buying 2, making them $6.77 for all 3, or about $2.25 each. Now I just want to point out that this deal is a limit of 1 per household per this week, so grabbing 4 of them will only earn you $5 in extra bucks. So just be careful when you're doing deals to make sure you're carefully reading the limit of each quantity per deal if you're going to try to do it more than once. OGX Hair Care is buy 1 get 1 50% off. Buy 2, get $4 in extra bucks. So you can look for the products that you want or the cheapest option at my store, or the products that are $8.99. If you're not sure on if they're included because they're not tagged, you can always scan one and then click on the screen where the product shows, and I'll take you straight to it online where it'll show if it's part of that deal or not. So since these are buy 1, get 1 50% off, 1 at full price, 1 at 50% off, will be $13.48. We have a $6 digital coupon, so we'll be left to pay $7.48 at the register. We'll get the $4 extra buck for buying 2 products, making them $3.48 for both. So there's an amazing deal on Garnier Fructis or Whole Blends. You can do both of these deals, but they are 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, get $3 in extra bucks. So if you grab the Fructis, your total for 2 will be $8, not these bigger ones, but the smaller ones. Use a $3 digital coupon, pay $5, get that $3 in extra bucks, making them $1 per bottle. Or you can grab the Whole Blends. They are 2 for $8 as well, so you'll use a separate digital coupon for the Whole Blends, pay $5, get the $3 extra buck for buying 2, making these $1 per bottle as well. So right now, it's not those. The Dove Plus Men Care Whole Body Deodorant. They're buy one get one 50% off, and buy two get $5 in extra bucks. The cheapest option at my store is the sticks for $11.99. My store only has one spray for $13.49 and one for $12.79. But if your store has two of the sticks, that's what I would grab. So one at full price, one at half off will be $17 and 98 cents. $17.98. We have a $10 digital coupon off of two, so that means you'll be left to pay $7.98 at the register and get the $5 extra buck, making them $2.98 for both. Now I would check your Fetch account to see what you have on Fetch. I have buy two get, because I already bought two. I have a buy four get X amount back. I think it's like 2,500. I already bought the two, so I could grab this and get an extra $2. But this is a little pricey at $12.79 and $13.49. Easy digital deal, no digital coupons needed. It's on the Gillette Foamy Shave Gel. They're $3.59. A buy one get one 50% off. A buy two get $4 in extra bucks. One being full price, one being 50% off will be $5.38. Get the $4 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $1.38 for both. Raw sugar products are buy one get one free. The cheapest option is the Kids. If your store has it, should be $5.99. And we have a $3 digital coupon, so you'll grab two of the Kids for $5.99. You'll use that $3 digital coupon, making them $2.99 for both. Or you can grab one of these body washes or one of the sugar scrubs. Unfortunately, the digital coupon does not work on the single count bars. A super easy freebie this week is on L'Oreal facial care. So they are spend $45, get $20, and we're just gonna ignore that. You're gonna look for basically the cheapest option at your store for less than $10. So we have these daily cream cleansers or the Revital Lift. I only scan this one because it's the one I'm grabbing. It's $9.49. We have a $5 digital coupon that will work with a $5 store CRT. The CRT should adjust down to $4.49, making this completely free. Anytime we have something like that in store, the CRT will adjust down, so it will make it free. But if you actually want to do this deal, let's spend $45, get $20 in extra bucks. That's $10 off immediately right there. So no matter what products you'll grab some really good savings, especially if you like L'Oreal products. I like their face wash. I personally used this one before, so that's every time I can give a good deal on this, I definitely do, because it's something that doesn't irritate my skin or like my pigmentation on my cheeks or anything. Because sometimes face wash will make my cheeks super red and pigmented. I don't understand why. I've never been to a dermatologist. I don't plan on it. It doesn't hurt or anything. It just looks like I'm blushing all the time sometimes, and it's really awkward. Y'all want an amazing deal on Eucerin lotion? I got you. So Eucerin is spend $20, get $10 in extra bucks, and you're going to look for the 5-ounce products. These are $6.79 at my store, so grabbing 3 of them will be $20.37. We have a $2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $18.37. Then you're going to take your receipt, submit it to Ibotta for $2 back on each one. It's 5 ounces or above, so these work perfectly fine. So we'll get a total of $6 back from Ibotta, and then we'll get the $10 in extra bucks for spending the $20, making them $2.37 for all 3 of them. Y'all, I feel like I'm literally sleeping right now. I haven't seen these at my store in, I don't know, I can't even tell you. But Select Gain products are 2 for $15. You're going to look for the Gain Flings, the hard one that's 42 count. And you're going to grab one of those, and then you're going to grab a liquid. These will total you $15. On coupons, $24. We have a $3 digital coupon specifically for the 42 count, and then a $3 digital coupon for the liquid, making them 2 for $9. Let's put together the first scenario for the spend 30 deal. I have 3 different ways to do this deal this week, so just grab whatever is easiest for you. First, we're going to come grab a Tide Liquid for $6.99. Next, we're going to grab this Febreze bathroom. Make sure it says bathroom on there. It is $3.99. Next, we're going to grab a Downy fabric softener for $6.99. Then a Bounce dryer sheet for $6.99. Lastly, we're going to grab a 4x16 Charmin toilet paper for $5.99. These would be all 5 products you're going to grab. Your total for all 5 of them will be $30.95. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Febreze. We have a $1 digital coupon on Coupons 24 for the Charmin, a $1.50 coupon on Coupons 24 for the Bounce, a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide, and a $1.50 digital coupon for the Downy. That means that we'll be left to pay $26.45 at the register. We'll get the $10 extra buck for spending $30, making them $16.45 for all 5 items. So the next scenario, we're going to start off with one of the Charmin, the 4x16 for $5.99. Next, we're going to grab a Tide Pods that's on sale for $13.49. A Tide Liquid for $6.99. Next, we're going to grab this Febreze bathroom. Make sure it says bathroom on there. It is $3.99. These will be all 4 products you're going to grab. Your total for all 4 will be $30.46. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pods, a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid, a $2 digital coupon for the Febreze, and a $1 coupon on Coupons 24 for the Charmin. You'll be left to pay $25.96 at the register. Look at the $10 extra buck for spending the $30, making them $15.96 for all 4 products. The last way to do this deal that I'm going to show you is to grab one of the 9=54 Mega XL Charmin. It's $22.99. Then you're going to grab a Charmin 4x16 for $5.99. Next, we're going to grab this Febreze bathroom. Make sure it says bathroom on there. It is $3.99. These 3 products will total you $30.46. We have a $5 Mega digital coupon for the Mega XL. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Febreze and the $1 Coupons 24 coupon for the Charmin. That means we'll be left to pay $24.97 at the register. Get the $10 extra buck for spending $30, making all 3 of them $14.97. Now, at any time, if you want to substitute the Charmin for the Bounty, the 2=4, you can. They're the same price. There's just no digital coupon for the Bounty, so that's why I didn't share it. But if you prefer to grab that, you can substitute that in. You'll adjust your math by adding $1 to whatever scenario you're doing. So these aren't tagged at my store, but I scanned this one because that's the one I thought it was. It says it's $21.49, which is insane. I don't drink coffee really, but for that little thing, that's nuts. Anyway, $21.49, but they are on sale for $7.99. Make sure you're trying to find them online, but you'll pay the $7.99 at the register, and then for buying one, we'll get a $2 extra buck, making one of these just $5.99. I feel like that's a way better price. Alright, y'all, my cart is messy, but this is everything I'm grabbing. Just a couple easy deals, so let's go check out. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and checkout went perfectly fine. I grabbed everything that I showed you guys. My cart was a little messy. That's okay. So, this is everything I grabbed. So for Coupons 24 app, that's the ones that came out first, we have the Gain, I don't know if you can see that. So we have both Gains, the $3 for the Gain Liquid, $3 for the Gain Flings. We have $1.50 for, I believe it's the Bounce, and then $1 for the Charmin. And then for CVS coupons, we have the $3 or $5 L'Oreal Paris facial care coupon. And then we have the $2 for Febreze. Then we have the $1.50 for the Tide. We have the $1.50 for the Downy. And then instead of adjusting down like I thought it should, we have the $5 L'Oreal CRT, so that fully came off. I'm surprised. Normally with CRTs, it will adjust down, so it makes it free now. So I made this a little money maker, which is super awesome. Then we have the rest of my extra bucks. I rolled $35 worth, something like that. I had a lot to roll, so I rolled $35. My subtotal was $15.51. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $6 for the Eucerin, making my whole haul just $9.51, which is freaking phenomenal because my store actually have the Gain Flings. Like, online it said out of stock. I haven't seen them, like I said, in there for forever. I honestly thought my store just didn't carry them anymore. I haven't seen the tag. Like, there was a different Gain of Flings there for a while, so I just assumed my store didn't carry it or stock it. So that's super freaking amazing. So that's, yeah, I hope you guys have some Gain left at your store. A lady walked in and grabbed 4 liquids, which is fine if you use them, but yeah, whatever. Not my call, not my place to judge. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.